Okay, children, the last class we are seeing the lesson about my hobby. Now we are going to see about the exercises that are given in the page number 101. So choose the correct answer. See the page number 101. Choose the correct answer. Okay. Now, Dash is a do-it-yourself kit. Who is a do-it-yourself kit? They are given Amud and Vinod Arasan. So, you have to write Vinod. In the choose, you can write Vinod is a do-it-yourself kit. That is DIY. We can say like that. Do-it-yourself kit. So, I am writing the choose without option straight away the fill up. Now, the second one. Rosie dash a bicycle, rides, folds, swims. So, you can write Rosie rides. So, Rosie rides a bicycle or IDES, rides. Underline the words. Those who are having the book, you can underline it, children. Others can copy it on in the notebook. Raju loves dash. Raju loves dash. What Raju loves? Raju loves cooking. Raju loves cooking. They are given cycling, driving and cooking. So, Raju loves cooking. So, first one is Dash is a do-it-yourself kit. Vinod is a do-it-yourself kit. And Rosie dash a bicycle. Rosie rides a bicycle. Raju loves cooking. So, he loves cooking. Now, answer the following question. Who's used the cloth? Next one is answer the following question. The same page only. So, you can write the answer in the dash itself, children. Answer the following, you see. Who's used the cloth? First one is Alia's used the cloth. Alia used the cloth. Okay. Then what does Meghalai do with elders? Meghalai swims with elders. Okay. Now, answer the following. Who sews the cloth? Who likes to sew the cloth? Alia. Answer is Alia sews the cloth. தைக்கிறதுன்னு சொன்னேன் இல்லையா? Alia sews the cloth. And second one, what does Meghalai do with elders? What does Meghalai do with elders? Meghalai, answer is Meghalai swims with compete with elders. அவங்களோட போட்டி போட்டு swim பண்ணு. Then third one, how does Raju help his mother? How does Raju help his mother? How does he help his mother? He help his mother. Answer is he help his mother by stitching, cutting or chopping. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. Okay. Now, what does DI kid refers to? What does DI kid refer to? Do it yourself. Okay. Do it yourself. What is your hobby? You can write any hobby. What is your hobby? My hobby is, you can write on your own children by collecting the stamps or collecting the pictures, collecting the cards, anything. My hobby is dash. Okay. So these are the question answers. So who's used the cloth? Olias used the cloth. What does Meghalai do with elders? Meghalai swims and compete with elders. How does Raji help his mother? He helps his mother by stitching, cutting or chopping fruits and vegetables. What does DI kid refers to? Do it yourself. What is your hobby? My hobbies. Whatever hobby is yours, you can write it on your own. Okay. Now, next we'll move on to the sing. Let us sing. So let us sing page number. That's a poem. Treasure Trove. Let us sing. Treasure Trove. Read when you're happy. Read when you're sad. Learn about space. Land on Mars. Picture an auto race. Zoom with cars. Okay. Read when you're happy. Read when you're happy. So whenever you're happy, you can read. Read when you're happy and read when you're sad. Even Sogama andra kuda you can read. Read when you're sad. Okay? Read when you're happy. Read when you're sad. Learn about, so while you're reading, what you can learn? Learn about space. Learn about space, about the universe. Space. Then what else you can learn? Land on Mars. Marsல வந்து இப்போ land இருக்குன்னு பார்த்துருக்காங்க. So land on Mars. Picture an auto race. Picture an auto race. Zoom with cars. So, read when you're happy, read when you're sad. Learn about space, land on Mars. Picture an auto race and zoom with cars. So, what all you are learning? You can see the pictures while you're reading the book. So, you can learn about the space, land on the Mars also you can learn. And other things is picture an auto race. ஏதாவது ஒரு picture auto race போகிற மாதிரி ஒரு picture and zoom with cars. And there are so many cars pictures will be there. You can see in the book. So while you are reading, you can see all these pictures about the space, about the Mars, about the auto race and different types, varieties of cars, everything you can see here. Okay. So read when you are happy, read when you are sad. Say all of you, read when you are happy, read when you are sad. Learn about space, land on Mars. Learn about space, land on Mars. Picture an auto race, zoom with cars. Picture an auto race, zoom with cars. Next, a glance at history, go back in time. A glance at history. ஸோ ஹிஸ்ட்ரியை பற்றி படிக்கும்போது பாஸ்டில் என்னென்ன நடந்தது, நம்ம பிறக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி, வாட் ஆல் வி ஆர் நாட் சீயிங் at history. So you can learn about the past, you can go back in time. Go back. So on the time history we can see that past time la enna nadanduchu, we can see from that book. To discover a mystery. To discover a mystery. And find mystery and solve a crime. Solve a crime. Read about the last bicycle. Where can it be? Read about last bicycle. Where can it be? Where can it be? Visit a lovely mermaid. Visit a lovely mermaid. Under the sea. So, a glance at history, go back in time. So, history படிக்கும்போது அந்த பழைய back future pastல நடந்தது we can see, go back in time. To discover a mystery. Mystery means a strange unknown things might happen. To solve a crime. ஏதாவது ஒரு குற்றம் கொலை ஏதாவது இருந்தால் அந்த mystery எப்படி அந்த unknown things, strange things that you can discover, that you can learn that book also. Read about the last bicycle, where can it be? So the last bicycle, தொலைஞ்சு போன bicycle, அது எங்கே இருக்குது, அதை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது, அது ஒரு mystery. And visit a lovely mermaid under a sea. So we can somebody can say that a mermaid is under the sea. So visit a lovely mermaid under the sea. So this is the poem, and again the read when you're happy, read when you're sad. Read when you're happy, read when you're sad. So read when you're sad. So what all you are learning when you're happy and when you're sad. Okay, so once again I read. Read when you're happy, read when you're sad. Learn about space, land on Mars. Picture an auto race, zoom with cars. A glance at history, go back in time. To discover a mystery, solve a crime. Read about the last bicycle, where can it be? Visit a lovely mermaid under the sea. Read when you're happy, read when you're sad. So this is the poem you have to learn. Say, you can say the rhyming words. Rhyming words is, you can say easily, you can say, that is Mars and cars. Mars, cars. Then time and crime. So rhymingly it should come. So you can search the word. Then B and C. So only 3 words, not more than that. That is, it will come only at the end of the line. So Mars, cars, time, crime, B and C. So memorize this poem, children, and learn the meanings also. Page number 105, you see the meaning? Space, that means beyond earth. Zoom, travel quickly. Glance, look. Discover, find. Mystery, you can write strange or unknown thing. mermaid, an imaginary creature. So learn these meanings also and learn the poem also. And here they are given the pick out the rhyming words as I have already written here. So you can write the meanings, the rhyming words. Mass, you can write the cars. In a book itself, you can write page number 105. Mass, cars, time, crime, B and C. Okay. So learn this poem and learn the meaning also. We will learn the question answer in the next class. And then the other homophones are there. Okay, in page number 102, the homophones. Homophones means pronunciation of the word will be the same when we are pronouncing the word. Hair. Hair means H-A-R-E. Hair. இது வந்து hair. இது வந்து rabbit சொல்லுவாங்க, இது வந்து hair, நம்ம தலைமுடி. Like this, we got some of the words. Sail, sail. Okay, sail, sail. Then pair, pair. Then desert, desert. ஒன்று வந்து பாலைவனம், இன்னொன்று வந்து நம்ம சாப்பிட்ற டெசர்ட், ஐஸ்கிரீம்ஸ் லைக் தட். Read, and this is the read. So ரெண்டுமே ஒரே pronunciation but the meanings are different. So like that, so many homophones are there. Yeah, dear, dear, dear. I, buy, buy. Meet, meet. Waste, waste. Right, right. Like this, some of the words they are given, these are known as the homophones. And read this and pronounce the word. And these homophones, page number 102 and 103 page number, you can learn this homophones. So all these homophones, you can see your book and learn. Once again I am telling, sail, sail, desert, desert, pair, pair, read, read, dear, dear, I, buy, buy, meet, meet, waste, waste, right, right. Okay, and you are given some of the pictures. Connect and write the homophones in the box. Is this? Here they are given C, S-E-A-C and O-N-E-1-1 and is the flower. And opposite they are given the homophone pictures are there. So for S-E-A-C, you can connect the picture. One man is watching the with binoculars. So he is C. Upper S-E-E-C. And O-N-E-1-1, one man is running and coming first in the sports. So 1, W-O-N-1. Flower. Flower nu solvom பூக்கள், இது வந்து மாவு, அது வந்து floor. So C, 1, 1. Pronunciation is the same but the spelling is different. Flower, floor. Okay. And here they are given a mother and a son. So when mother and a son, they are given son. So son is a homophone word and another word is sun, S-U-N, sun. So you can draw a sun in here and color it and write S-U-N, sun. Okay. So these are the words from the page number 103. So write this, children. Okay. We'll see you in the next class.